Disclaimer. All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's going on? Today is a little bit of a sad good day. We are finally officially all turned up, boys. We are all turned up. We're gonna be doing one of our last final couple vlogs. That's really it for the end of the series though. I know the series was a little choppy, a little rough. It was my first time trying out a series of things. At first it was gonna be one video, then it was gonna be multiple, then it was gonna be one, and then yeah, we went for one solo video now just to chop it all up for you guys, give y'all straight more content. I appreciate all y'all boys if y'all actually made it this far towards the end. Shit has gotten a little serious. I don't know since the last vlog that y'all have seen, but shit has definitely gotten a little more serious. But yeah, but we gotta see what's up. I'm not gonna really do too much talking like always, because yeah, I will say this car, as we're getting used to the power, getting dialed in, still used to it, you know? So I'd rather be focused up than not there. Did not want to shift for me. It got stuck on stupid. Yo, I got so scared. I was so confused. Oh, we knocked too. Damn. Yeah, that truck is wailing. Hold on, guys. Let's wait for this knock to go away. All right. I got a little worried right there. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my God. But yo, the car did not like that. The car did not like that at all. Let's start the log. Woo! God damn. All right, here goes fourth gear. Bobby. Oh my. No knock retard. I like that. I like that. That shit pushed my braids back, I swear to God. That third gear pushed my braids back.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Am I one happy camper? Oh my Lord. Yeah. You know it's a good time when the car leaves you speechless. Oh my. Yeah, I definitely gotta go back to 0W40. This is bad. My engine oil pressure is not liking it. Oh my God. Let's crack open these windows for y'all. Oh my God. Sheesh. Oh my God, the way these turbos sound. I'm in love. Ah shit, see some traffic. damn. Yeah, it definitely felt faster. Oh girl, definitely felt faster. I gotta get used to revving this car out, man. Oh my Lord. This car sounds too good being revved out. Oh, whew. Oh yeah. This bitch was getting a little loosey-goosey on me, baby girl. Relax.